Good day, friends. You are welcome to Chuang Maths class. In our previous class, we discussed the order of operation. So we look at PEMDAS. This PEMDAS is an acronym that helps us to remember order of operation. Now, P is parenthesis, E is exponent, M means multiplication, D is division, A is addition, and S is subtraction. Okay, now pasted here on the board are some soft questions which I want to use it to help us understand this PEMDAS very well. Okay, and also to state some things that are very important to consider when using PEMDAS. In the last class, we've not discussed working from left to right, so I want to emphasize it in this particular class. Now, multiplication and division are on the same level. Multiplication and division, based on this one, they are on the same level. Addition and also subtraction are also on the same level. So whenever you are solving and in the expression you have multiplication and division, the one you are going to do first, right, will be the let's say in the expression you have multiplication and division, right? The one you are going to do first is the operation that comes from left. Right, you do the one that comes from left before you handle the one from the right. Also, addition and subtraction, you do the operation, right? You choose the one that comes from the left of the expression to the right. Now let's see this example. Now I see example 1. Here you are having addition and subtraction. Okay, addition and subtraction, and I say they are on the same level. So which one are we going to do first? We consider the one that comes first, the operation that comes from the left, right? You see, this one is the one that comes from the left, right, to the right here. So we handle plus here. So this plus this one, you see, gave us 111. Then before we subtract, you see, it's giving us 95. Okay. Now here, the B part here, you see, we have addition and subtraction. But which one do we did first? You see, we handle subtraction because it comes from the left, right? Which gave us 36 before we now added 23 to give us 53. Here now, here you see we are having division and multiplication. So division and multiplication, they are also on the same level. So the one you are going to do first will be the operation that comes from the left, right? So you see division comes first before multiplication. So you do it first. 68 divided by 4, you are having 17. Before you multiply, you see, it give us 221. Now D part here, you see, also division and multiplication. Can we see? So which one are we going to do first? The one that comes from the left before the right. So we multiply 12 times 5, and it gave us 60. Before we divide this, you see, it gave us this one. So example 2, when multiply before add or subtract. So example 2 here, you see, when you are having this one, you see from PEMDAS here, multiplication comes first. So in this case, you are going to do according to the arrangement of this PEMDAS. Okay, so we handle multiplication first, right? There was 60 before we now add, right? Reduce 27. You see, to give us this one. The B part here, as you can see, this is addition and multiplication. So definitely we must start with multiplication, multiplying it first before we add to give us this one. So example 3 say divide before you add or subtract. So here, when you are having division and subtraction, so division and subtraction, definitely you are going to do D first. So you divide 12 divided by 3. You see, you are having 4. Now your subtraction, you see, 41 minus this one give us 37. So the D part also, you are going to divide first. You see, so 32 minus 15 here give us 17. Here we have addition and multiplication. So which one are you going to do first? According to the arrangement here, see, multiplication comes first, so you must multiply first before you now add with this one to get your answer here. And whenever you have a bracket, right, you must do bracket first. So here you must do the bracket So 62 minus 47, see, gave us 15. Then before you now multiply, you see, give you 60. Here, you're having this, so you must do what is inside the bracket first. So 31 plus 17, you see, is 48. So you have your subtraction here. So 85 minus 48 is 37. So the one that you must make sure you do from left to right is when you have multiplication and division on an expression. So you must consider the one you do first is the one that comes from the left of the expression, right? Before you now do the other one. So that is it. I did a comparison between this PEMDAS and the other one, which is very, very familiar, the both mass. So I did a comparison and I got to understand that both mass is straightforward, and that is the one that is even more popular. Okay, but it's very important you understand other methods, right, of handling it. That is why I brought PEMDAS. Okay, so please, if you like my videos, you can do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me, like and comment. Thank you so much, and God bless you.